So here is the delicious secret of shedding pounds. Eat pasta and lose weight. Now let's reveal the ultimate recipe of a mouth-watering weight loss pasta that will leave you satisfied and help you reach your fitness goals. Let's start. Take any utensils of your choice, pan or a bowl, add water, 1 teaspoon of cow ghee, give 1 or 2 boil. Now I am adding wheat semolina pasta. You can go for the whole wheat or multigrain pasta also as per your choice. Our pasta boils, take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now add cumin seeds, roast it and then add chopped onions. Roast onions very well till it gets brown in color. Now I am adding chopped tomatoes, red bell pepper. You can even add yellow bell pepper. It will also give the a good taste and also good for health. Now here I am adding the Indian spices like salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder. Here I have added very less salt as per the pasta taste. Now add little water, mix it well. After mixing, cook it for 1 or 2 minutes. When it cooks properly, then we are going to add another ingredient, which is our diced paneer. You can go for the tofu also, or low fat paneer, or homemade paneer. Add 1 spoon of tomato sauce, mix it well. So this weight loss pasta is going to be so delicious and it's so simple to prepare it. All the ingredients are readily available in the market and actually quite healthy. You can even have when you are on weight loss. Now I am adding the paste in the blender. Transfer the whole prepared paste. Here I am going to make a smooth paste out of this. So give 1 or 2 plus to get a very smooth and creamy paste. So our paste is ready. Now transfer this again in the pan. Add some little water and simmer it for 2 minutes. Till it simmers, our pasta is I think ready. So let's check. Yes, pasta is boiled now. I am going to filter it. So this is, here I am using Earthmade organic pasta. You can go for another brand as per your choice. Now here I am going to add one more point, like quality of food matters a lot when it comes to health, right? So just transfer this boiled pasta to our paste. Our paste is almost ready, and mix the pasta along with the paste very well, evenly, and you can see the color. It's looking so delicious. So here I am adding some dry seasoning, green coriander leaves. It's looking so delicious. You can see how it is looking. Tada, our pasta is almost ready. Now one more tip here, like when we are on weight loss, keeping portion size under control is must. So make sure you don't overeat it. Though it's healthy, eat in control manner. It's too tasty. Try it and follow me for more recipes.